The trading pit is quiet now, the shouting days are done. The game is played by code and math, the digital race is run. Algorithmic trading executes with preset rule and rhyme, based on price and volume and the variable of time. It takes away the human flaws, the fear and greed and doubt, to figure what the market moves are really on. Statistical arbitrage, a quantitative art, exploiting price discrepancies before the markets start. We look for pairs that move alike in a correlated dance, and when they drift apart we see a profitable chance. We bet on mean reversion that the spread will close again, a mathematical edge beyond the reach of normal men. The old regression models struggle with the nonlinear flow, so deep learning architectures are the way that we must go. The LSTM members trends with memory so deep, capturing temporal patterns while the market is asleep. But transformers use attention weighing inputs in the stack to handle complex sequences and keep the testing on the track. We're not just watching charts today, we're reading every word, using NLP to parse the news that hasn't yet been heard. FinBERT scans the headlines for the sentiment inside, to see if fear or confidence will be the market's guide. From social posts to earnings calls, the unstructured text is key to finding hidden alpha in the vast strategy is useless if your latency is slow. You need a microsecond edge to make the profits grow. With co-located servers and an FPGA design, you race to hit the order book before the other line. High frequency infrastructure is the plumbing of the beast, where the fastest obtain the most and the slowest get the least. Yet danger lurks inside the code, the risk of the black box, where autonomous decisions might unlock Pandora's locks. AI agents might collude in ways we didn't teach, creating tacit cartels that extend beyond our reach. The SEC and FINRA watch for fraud and for the crash, to ensure that G9 doesn't burn the system in a flash. Deep reinforcement learning is the frontier of the trade, where agents learn from actions and the choices they have made. From Q learning to simulation, the models evolve and grow, transforming how the capital and liquid assets flow. It's a quantitative frontier, a technological flight, trading through